Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make fresh pork cutlets on your Weber BBQ grill. First step, we have to make a little bit of fire. The fire is ready, or the coal are ready, if there is a white halo around. So now dip the stuff inside your kettle. So now we have direct heat area and chill and sort a little bit the stuff inside. Now let's make a griddle on top, and now we are ready to make fresh pork cutlets. Let's go. Ready for cook. We will grill for the rest of our lives. So let's start. Push one example cutlet into the middle area. I will dip other meat like chicken around, but the center in this video is a pork cutlet, okay? You can see you can make more than one pork cutlet at one quest, of course. Push them on top and then let them there for about, I think, 1 minute, and then you have to rotate because it's direct heat and it's so hot above there. But this is enough. If you rotated the meat for the first time, you have to make a little bit of spice on top. Oh, this is so much. Ooh, what is? Oh, big meat means big spice on top, as you can see. Now, let the pork cutlet rest for there another minute, and then you can repeat the thing again, rotate it and spice it. Oh, this is too much spice on top. Oh, but we like spicy. Yeah, maybe a little bit, not so much. As you can see, this is better. You can use salt, you can use pepper, or you can use barbecue mix. Now you can go forward, rotate the beef a little bit, or the pork, of course. And if you take your hands, and there is an easy setup to test how the pork has to be at the surface if you're pushing on top of it. And it is flexible, and how much flexible it is, you can think how much heat is inside and how it is cooked, how much cooked it is inside. For this, use your fingers, and if you're pulling your one finger to the outer finger, this is the hardest setup. As you can see, or as you can feel. And these are the setup as you can go to bring your information about the inner side of the pork cutlet, of course. And if the point is reached that you have the right flexible thing, then it's ready to chill a little bit. It has to be chilled, not over the heat. Take it on the surface, on the outer side of the barbecue grill, and then you can take it on your plate and have a test food. If you have a core thermometer, you can dip it inside your cutlet, and if you reach 70 until 75 degrees Celsius, it is done. Okay, that it is, because we have the feeling process. And let's have a look how good it is. Yeah, it's like delicious. Let's test it. Oh, it's white flavored, a little bit delicious. Oh, godlike, self-made delicious cutlet. Pork cutlet. That is easy, fast going. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.